New construction or an older home, each has its perks. Let's compare. With new construction, everything is brand new. That means modern designs, energy-efficient appliances, and little to no maintenance for years. You might even get to pick finishes, but it may cost you more up front. However, older homes have more character, charm, larger yards, in established neighborhoods, plus mature trees. But expect some repairs. Think plumbing, roofing, or outdated electrical systems. Now, let's talk price and value. New homes might be pricier, but lower energy bills can balance that out. Older homes can have lower upfront costs, but might surprise you with hidden repairs. Lastly, wait times. With new builds, you could wait months for construction to finish, while an older home is move-in ready. Need help deciding which home type fits your lifestyle and budget? Call me at 229-561-7483 and let's find the perfect home for you.